Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today I am very excited to reveal the teaser of newly launched project with codename Bliss by Puravankara Group in Electronic City, Bangalore. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically this project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 iconic towers with each tower of basement ground plus 32 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, the project will be having 80% of open space and all the corner flats are 100% Vastu compliant units. Now about the location part, and the project is located in Electronic City in Bangalore, one of the prime location in Bangalore in IT corridor. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Hosur Highway in 1.5 kilometers, Hebgodi Metro Station is 1.5 kilometers away, and even you can connect to Infosys in 2 kilometers from the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project has 40 plus curated world-class amenities with 20,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with co-working space, work pods, kids play area, swimming pool, garden area, multi-purpose court, gymnasium and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area, so as mentioned, this project has exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1850 square feet to 2300 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 2800 to 4200 square feet. 5 BHK is 4,800 to 5,400 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, so let me inform you that the project is in pre-launch stage for now, so our EOI windows is open. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can submit their EOI, the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of newly launched project by Puravankara Group with codename Bliss in Electronic City, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.